Students, let us solve more questions of maxima and minima. Question is, a window has the shape of a rectangle surmounted by an equilateral triangle. If the perimeter of the window is 12 meter, find the dimension of the rectangle that will produce the largest area of the window. So we have to find out the dimensions of the window, means length and breadth of the window, which is rectangle in shape. Okay, and the perimeter of the window is given to us 12 meter. So this is the window. BCDE is the rectangular part of the window, and ABE is equilateral triangular part of the window. So we can mention here, let length of the rectangle window be x meter. Its length is x meter, means BE equal to CD equals to x meter, and breadth of the rectangular window is y meter. BC equals to DE equals to y meter. Side of equilateral triangle equals to x meter, because the equilateral triangle is made on the side BE, means on the length of the rectangle. So the side of the equilateral triangle will be x meter. Now perimeter is given of the window. So for perimeter we have to add all the sides, AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus AE. Okay students, we cannot include the inner side BE. Okay, so when we add all the sides we can get perimeter. So 12 equals to x plus y plus x plus y plus x. Okay, so 12 equal to 3x plus y, 3x plus 2y. So 12 minus 3x equals to 2y. Y equal to 12 minus 3x upon 2. This is equation 1. Now students, we have used the given part. Perimeter we have used here. Okay, now we have to find out area, because we have to maximize area of the window. Largest area of the window means we have to maximize the area of the window. So area of the window equals to area of rectangle plus area of equilateral triangle. Area of window equals to area of rectangle plus area of equilateral triangle. Area of rectangle L into B, and area of equilateral triangle root 3 upon 4 into side square. So length is x, breadth is y, and side of equilateral triangle is x. So x into y plus root 3 upon 4 into x square. Now we are going to put value of y from equation number 1. This is equation 1, 12 minus 3x upon 2. So at the place of y, we can put 12 minus 3x upon 2. Okay, so area equals to 12x minus 3x square upon 2 plus root 3x square upon 4. So this is the area. This is equation number 2. Now to find out the point of maxima or minima, we have to differentiate it with respect to x. So dA upon dx equals to 12x derivative is 12, 3x square derivative is 6x upon 2 plus x square derivative is 2x. So root 3 upon 4 into 2x. 2 to the 4. So dA upon dx equals to, we can take 2 common here. 6 minus 3x upon 2 plus root 3 upon 2x. 2 to cancel. So dA upon dx is 6 minus 3x plus root 3x upon 2. So we are going to use second order derivative test here. So we have to factorize again dA upon dx. Then d square a upon dx square equals to 6 derivative is 0, minus 3x, its derivative is 3, plus root 3 upon 2x, derivative is root 3 upon 2. So d square a upon dx square equals to minus 3 plus root 3 upon 2. Let us take LCM, LCM is 2. So there will be minus 6 plus root 3 upon 2. This is second order derivative. We can take minus common. So 6 minus root 3 upon 2. Students, 6 minus root 3 upon 2 is positive. Outside minus sign shows that this value is negative. Okay. So this is d square upon dx square. This is question number 4. Now student, for the point of maxima and minima, we have to put first order derivative equals to 0. So dA upon dx equals to 0. This is first order derivative. So it will be put equals to 0. 6 minus 3x plus root 3x upon 2 equal to 0. Let us take LCM. We can write 1 here. Then LCM is 2. Divide by denominator 2 and multiply by numerator. 2 6 is 12. 2 3 is 6. 12 minus 6x plus divide by denominator 1. 1 multiply by root 3x. Root 3x equal to 0. By cross multiplication we get 12 minus 6x plus root 3x equals to 0. So 12 equals to 6x minus root 3x. Now student, x is common. So 12 equal to x, 6 minus root 3. So x equals to 12 upon 6 minus root 3. So putting value of x in equation number 4. This is the value of x, student. To check this is the point of maxima or minima, we have to put this value in equation number 4 in second order derivative. But student, you can see there is no x. It means we cannot put the value of x here. It means for every value of x it is negative. Okay, that's why we have written here d square a upon dx square less than 0. So this point x is the point of maxima. So we have to mention here x equal to 12 upon 6 minus root 3 is the point of maxima. Okay. Now students, we have to put the value of x in equation number 1 to get the value of y. So putting value of x in equation number 1, y equals to 12 minus 3 into 12 upon 6 minus root 3. This is the value of x. So we have to put this value of x here in equation number 1. Then the equation will be 12 minus 3 into 12 upon 6 minus root 3 upon 2. We can take LCM. So when we take LCM, then 12 is multiplied by 6 minus root 3. Minus 36, 12 3 is 36 upon this 2 will remain as it is, and 6 minus root 3 will also come in denominator. So let us open the bracket. 12 is 72 minus 12 root 3 minus 36 upon 2 bracket 6 minus root 3. So 12 is 72 minus 12 root 3 minus 36 upon 2 bracket 6 minus root 3. So 72 minus 36, 36. So 36 minus 12 root 3 upon 2 bracket 6 minus root 3. Now we can take 2 common, student. Then 18 minus 6 root 3 upon 2 6 minus root 3. 2 cancel. So this is the value of y. 18 minus 6 root 3 upon 6 minus root 3. Okay. So students, length of rectangle for maximum area equals to 12 upon 6 minus root 3 meter, because the value of x, and x is the length of rectangle. Okay. So 12 upon 6 minus root 3 meter. Breadth of rectangle, the value of y. 18 minus 6 root 3 upon 6 minus root 3 meter. So this is the breadth. Okay, students. So you have seen here the method of solving the language problem of maxima and minima. Perimeter is given to us, so we have used perimeter to get the value of y, and we have to maximize area because the question is asking about largest area of the window. That's why we have calculated area of the window and differentiate area because we have to maximize area. Okay, so this is the method of solving maxima minima language problem. Okay then, student.